Hello and what's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here. My name is Damaris, for those who are new here. And for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and have been watching and sharing my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate. And if you're new here, welcome to the family, and kindly take 2 seconds of your time to subscribe to my channel. In my last video, I said I have begun a new series of sharing with you different business ideas, and I did the first episode. I interviewed someone. After you watched, or before you watch this one, you can watch the first episode, then you come back to the second episode, because today we are doing the second episode. As you've seen on the description, I am going to show you how to make liquid detergent, multi-purpose liquid detergent. And I know this video is going to help someone out there. It is the simplest way. Before I begin the video, I want to say this. If you know a skill that doesn't require someone going back to school and studying a whole course or paying for fees, kindly show a friend, show a brother, show a sister, and I know you will help them so much, because I know there are people out there with friends who do not have a job, friends who have been struggling with the small little salaries they have been getting. So if you know something that you do or someone does that generates some cash, kindly do not let a brother suffer. And showing someone what you know doesn't mean that you will lack customers or you will grow poor. No, just show them. These are the chemicals that you are going to use to make the soap. I write their names somewhere on the video or in the description box, because right now I can't remember the correct names and I do not want to tell you the wrong names of chemicals. These ones are chemicals for making 10 liters of liquid soap. I have this one here. I have this. I have this. You can see. I also have this. This one right here, and this one I know this is the perfume, and this one is the color. We are making, tunatengeneza ya color green, so this one is color green. Najua mnaona si green, but tukiweka tukisha mix na the other chemicals, time ya kuweka color, it's when you will realize it's color green. Now begin. I'll be showing you step by step. Kuna watu wengine wanasemanga everything that is in solid form like this one, you stir it in a different basin, then uongeze kwa maji yetu. But for me, I said I would show you a simple way, because there is no need of that. As long as it's still going in the same water, in the same basin with the other chemicals. So first we begin with, sorry I have not shown you, we have also here 10 liters of water. Do not add more than 10 liters before you make the soap. Usikuwe na tamaa kwanza uweke maji mingi and then itakuwa light sana. So kwanza tengeneza na 10 liters. Ukiona ni thick, iko thick sana, unaongeza tu maji kidogo. So for the 10 liters I know you can make 15 na itakuwa mzuri, but kwanza tumia 10 liters. Then ukishamaliza ongeza maji yako tu polepole hadi to ile thickness unataka yenye. Pia ukiuzia mtu atafeel hii soap iko sawa. Usiuzie mtu kitu tu inakaa maji tu imewekwa color green. So tafadhali tumia kwanza 10 liters of water, and that is what we are going to use. So now after pouring your water in the basin, we go in with the chemicals. So we are going to begin with this one. We are going to begin with all the solid chemicals except the color. Do not put the color, do not put the color right now, and the spray, also we are going to keep them aside. So we are going to go in with this one first, and make sure every time you pour in the chemical, maybe every time you pour in the chemical, make sure you stir it until it's well mixed with the water. You can pour as you stir. Stir until all the solid particles are well mixed with the water and you cannot feel any solid particles in the water. So I forgot to tell you, you use a stick to stir, you can use a big muko. You cannot feel any solid particles. I go in with the second because we want to make the soap in a simple way without wasting time. So let's go in with our third chemical. The three chemicals are now well mixed with the water. Now this one here, this one is the most tricky one. Hii ni tricky sana. If you do not stir it well, hiyo sabuni yako itakuwa with some lumps. Like vitu ngumu, see that hard, lakini itakuwa na vitu haziko well mixed. So make sure anytime you have this one, you make sure you stir it well. You pour as you stir. Well mixed up, you go in with this one. Now at this point, this is how the soap looks like. So we shall give it, like, you can stir it after every 1 hour. So we are going to wait for 1 hour and I'll be back. Nikoroge na niwaonyeshe vile inakaa. I am back, and this is how the soap looks like. It's very thick. I hope you can see. It's very thick. Ndio nilisema ukiona ikiwa thick sana unaweza ongeza maji. So hii ni thick sana. Unaweza ongeza maji nyingine kidogo like 3 or 5 liters. Unaongeza tu kidogo ifikishe ile thickness unataka, isikuwe light na isikuwe thick sana. For 10 liters unanunua 250 to 300 Kenya shillings depending ni wapi unanunua. Zangu mimi nilinunua Nairobi town na niliuziwa 270 za 10 liters. For 20 liters unanunua na 500 Kenya shillings. So sasa tunaweza weka sasa kala juu sabuni yetu imeshakuwa thick kabisa. Color pia unaweka depending na how green you want the soap to be. So unaweka tu kidogo ukiangalia. Sorry. So for me, I think that is enough. Hii unaweza tumia the next time. I'll give it some time, then I'll come back, niweke perfume, and then I pack. Nitapack kwa hizi mitungi zangu za 5 liters, na naweza pack pia kwa chupa za 1 liter. So I'll be back after a while kuonyesha nikipack sabuni yangu. And please be patient. In case umetengeneza na after the 1 hour haijashikana, haijakuwa thick, endelea kukoroga. Koroga, it might take the whole day, lakini utakoroga kila unaangalia tu, after some time unakuja unaangalia sabuni yako unakoroga. Ama kama umetengeneza usiku na iacha overnight, ukiamka asubuhi koroga utapata imeshashikana, iko poa. So be patient. We are done. Our soap is okay. If you want to pack it right now, you can pack. If you want to pack it once you get a customer, but I advise once you are done making your soap, you can pack it into your containers, into your bottles, into your jerry cans, ndio ikae ikiwa ready for use ama kuenda kwa customer. Wanakuwa na different perfumes, kuna passion, lemon, strawberry, lime, everfresh, bubblegum. For me, I am using everfresh. I like something which is cool. Kitaka tu yenye na shout, it's okay. But this one is cool. Everfresh ama lime zinakuwa most of the times ni cool. It mix vizuri. I'm tired, guys. You can now pack it according to how you want it, in jerry cans, in bottles, or according to your customer requirements. Maybe kuna customer anataka 5 liters, 10 liters, 20 liters, 1 liter. So now you are the one who is going to pack it how you want, ama how your customer wants it. So for the 5 liters, according to me, because I can't show you something that I have not been doing. I'm telling you the truth. It might not be huge profits, but at least ukienda kazi hautakosa fare, ama ukiwa kwa nyumba kama una kazi hautakosa pesa ya chakula. So for the 1 liter, you can sell it at 100 bob, but for me, I sell it at 70 bob. So 70 bob times 5 is 350. So for 5 liters, you will sell it at 350. But again, for me, I'll prefer to sell it at 300 to my customers, because I know they are the people I'll need back to come and support me. So I'll give it at 300 and give them a discount of 50 bob. Again, if you want to sell it at 350, if you have potential customers who can take it at 350 and they are willing to promote you, just do it. So guys, I'm done. I have packed our soap in these 5 liter jerry cans, and there's still more soap, like 5 liters imebaki, but I've packed, kwanza nimepack ya 10 liters, 2 5 liter jerry cans, and these small bottles. You can use this one in your washroom. Unaweza weka kwa sink ya washroom ya kuoshea mikono, or your kitchen sink. Yeah, unaweza tumia hii sabuni kuosha vyombo, unaweza tumia kuosha floor, kuoshea mikono. It's very okay. It's multi-purpose. I hope this video has been helpful. So kama uko pale nyumbani hauna kazi, ama uko na kazi but you still need something that you can do to generate some cash, kindly consider this one, because I know and because I tell you for sure hautakosa customer, because this is something that people use on daily basis. Watu huosha vyombo, kuna wenye wanatumia kuosha vyombo, kuosha floor. So this is something that people will require in their daily routines ama in their daily chores. So tafadhali walk into those offices zenye ziko karibu na wewe, ama pia kwa watu mali unaishi, kwa your apartments, plots, wherever you stay. Enda ukiambia watu you are selling this and this. Kuna watu wengine they will be ashamed of the businesses they do. Do not be ashamed. You need money, you need that cash. Na kuna mali pesa itakuja ikijandike to you did this to get the cash. Cash, money is money. So kindly ambia watu, this is what I do as my side hustle, ama this is what I do as my business. And I know genuine people, and people who are ready to support you, they will support you. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Stay tuned for the next episode.